أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
I seek refuge with Allah from Satan the outcast.
وجاء إخوة يوسف فدخلوا عليه فعرفهم وهم له منكرون.
And Joseph's brothers came, and entered into his presence. He recognized them, but they did not recognize him.
ولما جهزهم بجهازهم قال ائتوني بأخ لكم من أبيكم ألا ترون أني أوفي الكيل وأنا خير المنزلين.
When he provided them with their provisions, he said, "Bring me a brother of yours from your father. Do you not see that I fill up the measure, and I am the best of hosts?"
فإن لم تأتوني به فلا كيل لكم عندي ولا تقربون.
But if you do not bring him to me, you will have no measure from me, and you will not come near me.
قالوا سنراود عنه أباه وإنا لفاعلون.
They said, "We will solicit him from his father. We will surely do."
وقال لفتيانه اجعلوا بضاعتهم في رحالهم لعلهم يعرفونها إذا انقلبوا إلى أهلهم لعلهم يرجعون.
He said to his servants, "Put their goods in their saddlebags, perhaps they will recognize them when they return to their families, and maybe they will come back."